Hey AP fam, my name is Nathan Boston. I've been with Austin now personally since about November of last year. Basically what happened was I was in the military and I got out at 220 pounds and 40% body fat, and I really needed something to change. I couldn't do it alone. I was hitting the gym regularly by myself and like doing all that, but I hired Austin as my coach and became a part of the AP Performance team because I couldn't do it by myself. And honestly, it's almost been a year, like 3 months shy of a year. And I got down to 154 and 6% body fat for my first show, and then now I'm at about 185, 190 depending, and about 12%. So honestly, it's like being with AP Performance and the team and having Austin personally help me has changed my life, and actually it's so much so changed my life to where I've actually been able to help others change what they're doing as well. And I actually want to go to physical trainer school as well, so everything's kind of like coming together like a puzzle, you know? Like first you gotta work on yourself before you can work on others, and I think that's what the whole point of AP Performance is. It's learning how to take care of yourself before you can take care of others. Now for the next 12 weeks, what I'm kind of looking at, I did Empire last year in April, or this last April I did Empire. I want to hit Empire again in 2018, and I definitely want to do a lot better than I did. I was at 154 and 6%, and I wanted to definitely sit about 195 to 200 leaned out, dried out, ready to go. And that's just because, I got big goals for myself. I know I can do it. I know I can eat the food. As on top of that, I know I can just destroy myself in the gym. But yeah, it's honestly been a pleasure, because if I didn't reach out to Austin, I would probably still be stuck in the same spot. So yeah, that's kind of like where I've been, what I plan on doing. And honestly, it's just a blessing, because I don't know where I'd be without him today. It's like to each his own, but sometimes you gotta do what's best for you and kind of say screw off to everyone else. So everyone keep killing it. I know I'm gonna go ahead and just start killing it right now. About to head to the gym. So you guys have a great night.